Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone ios26. For example, if you try to change the passcode or try to reset the Face ID and you see then option is available of stolen device protection and you want to turn it off, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the Face ID and passcode, and here you have to provide the passcode here, and you have to make sure that you always remember your passcode, otherwise you will not be able to turn off the stolen device protection. So here you will find the option of stolen device protection, so you have to click on that, and if it is turned on, then you have to simply turn it off here, and you have to make sure that your Face ID is working. And as you click on turn off stolen device protection, it will ask for security delay to change the stolen device protection. So you have to set an alarm for 1 hour, and after that you have to click on start security delay, and after that after 1 hour you will be able to turn off the stolen device protection. So you have to make sure that your Face ID is working properly, and you also remember the passcode, otherwise you will not be able to change turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone. Moreover, there is also options available requires security delay away from the familiar location, and the second one is always. So you can simply set the location of your iPhone, and if you are away from the familiar location, then it will not get any. It will ask for security delay when you are away from the familiar location, and if you are on your familiar location, then it will not ask for the security delay. But if you select always, then it will ask for security delay every time you try to turn off the stolen device protection or you try to change the passcode on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.